A wellness day treat, the Remedy Skin Solutions.
Problem comes an opportunity. What was the problem? You guys remember during the pandemic, what were you all wearing? Masks. What did many of us get? Maskne, right? So being the clinic that positioned and marketed itself as a acne-focused clinic, we happened to be at the right place at the right time, right when this emergence of acne and maskne came to the Philippines.
Like a small miracle, a sign that we were going in the right direction. The skincare market, back then, it was already very competitive. But we had a vision born out of my personal experiences as a doctor and as a young patient. And we really believe that we could bring something unique, something different.
So, I think what really sets Remedy apart is the consultation process. So before each consultation, we really take studio quality photos of our patients to be able to assess their skin better and to also help us track their progress. After that, they have the option to undergo skin analysis. So we are actually the first in the country to incorporate it as part of our routine practice and is now core to the Remedy experience. So with the help of the skin analyzer, we're able to see things which may not be readily visible to the naked eye, like hidden wrinkles, fine lines, signs of sun damage, so those kind of things.
We're finally ready to launch our first set of solutions for patients who want to remove their hair and those who want to keep it. So that's number one. Second is we're also going to start launching a body treatment soon. I can't say more, but we really aim to become the destination for care from head to toe. And the third would be skin microbiome. So I'm sure you're familiar with gut health, probiotics. There's been a lot of scientific advancements and research in that field. And next year, I'm proud to announce that we're also launching the first true skin microbiome solution in the country. So we're probably going to launch that early next year. So we hope to also be able to invite you to that launch. So those are the three things.